the title and the background and the font. So for the title, for the background, we'll start with the background. If you click in the background and if you click in the gradient, for example, you drag the one you picked and you drop it, you see when you hover on top of it, it says here 4 seconds. It means like the duration of the video is 4 seconds, and also it tells you here 4 seconds and how many seconds has been played so far. So that is the background. You can modify your background like here. I need to explain these tools because you might use it earlier so you understand what's happening in here. If you click in here, that's auto. You can, if you wanna fix something, automatically improve video and audio, you click in here. And also here, they automatically improve the video quality and also adjust the color of the clip. Like if you click here, adjust the color, also white balance and skin balance. If you click in this one, so you can change even the color in the background. For example, you can make it more darker, you can make it more lighter. So you can go play around the thing until you get the satisfied thing you want here in terms of the color. And also here you can make it like a little bit black and white, or you can make it very colorful like that, stuff like that, but in the middle is always the best. And here another option is to give you the option that you can change it to more warmer, like you can add more yellowish or more bluish. But if you want to reset everything to that, if you messed up all the you've been playing around and you want everything to be back to the original, just click reset for this one. If you click reset, everything will be reset, so just click reset. So this is how you do your background. You just pick a background, you drop it here, and see when you hover on top of it and you see the yellow line, it means that you are working within this clip, because you will have so many clips and you start building your blocks here around this area. So this is where you're gonna work mainly. If you want to increase the background, you just drag it, and over here see 5.5 seconds, or if you want to shorten it, you drag it and you shorten it back again, so that's 3 seconds. So that is for the background. Let's see for the title. You have different type of titles. You can just pick, for example, you see this one, you can just hover on top of it and it will give you a review. For example, this title is the standard one. You can see that's what the title next here, or you can take one like this one. For example, if someone has an interview and want to show the name and what the profession, you can add this one like that. Or for example, scrolling credit like the movies in the end, you can add this one. So let's say for example just one, so we can try it for you guys, and we change the font so you can have a feeling. For example, let's take the focus one. You drag it as we mentioned and you drop it, and you notice here it's longer than the below one. You always put on top of the clip that you want the font is. So you can make it shorter, the same length of the clip. You click and you click, you remember until it becomes yellow, and you drag it till here. Or maybe you just want it to some part of the clip, you just make it shorter. So basically it goes here for 0.6 seconds. It gives the text, and after that disappear and carry on with the rest of the clip. So let's say how we can change the font and how we can do all that thing. So you click on it, double click, and you see the font. You have the fonts here. You can change whatever you want, or you can do show more fonts, and you can get more fonts, like you can see in your library. If you have fonts, if you downloaded the fonts, you can get in here. Also, let's pick a font for it for now, just to try it. Yeah, let's take this one, and here you can get the size of the font and where it's located, same as the Word, Microsoft Word, or normal editing. You just edit it. Let's for iMovie example. So you put it in here. You can make it bold, even, just normal. So things like that. So after we type our font and you play a clip, and that's it. And as I said, you can just change your the length of the time for how long you want it to be disappear. If you want to put it here, or you want to put it in this portion of the clip, as you will see in the next lessons. So you can pick whatever you want. And also you have different ones, full focused as well. It will be something like that. You put a title with the background, boogie, boogie lights. So you've got very amazing things you can start up with. After that, when you feel comfortable, you can go in online and you can make your own complex one. But I would start with these ones, especially for someone who's just started with filming and YouTube and everything. It will give you a good startup. So that's it for the background and the title and the font. So if you want to delete these two, you just highlight, click and drag, and you press delete, and everything being deleted. So that's it, and I will see you in the next lesson.